Can you see yourself in the 2017 Buick Cascada? With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, Bluetooth connection. Feel the pleasure of the drive in the Cascada. Take it for a spin today.